Imagine if Google Search and ChatGPT had a super smart baby. Well, that's exactly what DeepSeek AI is trying to be. But what is DeepSeek? Who made it? And can it beat ChatGPT? Stick around because this video will break it all down for you. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech videos. Let's go.
All right, so the Chinese-built AI app DeepSeek seems to have taken the tech world by storm. It has certainly demolished the market value of a number of tech giants, US-based tech giants, NVIDIA being top of it, one of the largest chip makers in the world. Its market value was destroyed by 500 billion just in one trading session.
All right, first things first. What is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek AI is a new type of artificial intelligence that works like a search engine and chatbot combined. It can find real-time answers from the internet, talk and reply like a chatbot, help programmers with coding. Think of it like ChatGPT, but with fresher, more updated answers because it can actually search the web. But who made it? DeepSeek AI was created by a team of Chinese AI experts who wanted to make a smarter search engine. It's not as famous as ChatGPT yet, but it's growing fast. They built it to be better at finding information in real time rather than just using old, pre-learned data like most chatbots. DeepSeek is brand new. It launched from late 2024 to early 2025, so it's still improving daily. It's like a new challenger in the AI battle, and people are curious to see if it can keep up with ChatGPT. Now let's talk about what DeepSeek AI can actually do. It's packed with cool features like AI-powered search, which helps to find fresh, real-time information from the internet. Smart chat, through which you can ask it anything, and it will respond like a chatbot. Developers can use it to generate and fix code. It can write blogs, scripts, and summaries. Sounds awesome, right? But let's see how it compares to ChatGPT. So who wins? If you want an AI that can search the internet and give up-to-date answers, DeepSeek is worth checking out. But if you need an AI that's super polished for chatting, writing, and coding, ChatGPT is still the best choice. So, should you try DeepSeek AI? Yes. If you love AI and want to test something new and exciting, go for it. What do you think? Can DeepSeek beat ChatGPT? Comment below, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more AI news.
Release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industry.